So this is the longest bird throw ever. I use these two as plates for birds, the sparrows outside. I feed them on it, and they work great. They get used to it, but the wind blows them away. It's pretty rough out there on these bird throws, and they're pretty durable, but the wind is just problematic. They last forever, except the wind blows them away. Usually I tried putting stakes on them, and they get ripped off the stakes. But this time I have a plan. I wanna put bottles of water on each end, and hopefully that will weigh them down and keep them still, keep them from blowing away. I'm gonna make a really big one. This is the prelude to it. The plastic ties just need a slipping or snipping, and it will be ready to go. Attach the water bowls at the end, and this one I expect to last, so that's why I made it much bigger. It takes a lot of effort to make, and usually I do two of them, put one in a place and one in another, and that works well, because sometimes different types of animals don't like to share, because not only the birds like to eat, the small ones, but also pigeons and squirrels. They're used to eating from the bird throw as well. They enjoy it. It's a very good invention of mine. It's shown on What's the Best Life Hack, how to make it. That's my channel, and it works very well. The animals enjoy it. I can simply shake the bird seeds off of them. They're flexible, they don't get damaged, and you can put them in any configuration you want. They bend. It's like those toy snakes you get at the dollar store. They're great, and it just needs a bit of snipping and it's ready to go. And it's a very, like I want to emphasize, it's a very good way to feed the birds, much better I think than a bird feeder, because they get to be on the ground rather than the instability of the air, and that's what they how they prefer to eat, on the ground, I think. And yeah, that makes them really happy, so just gonna give them a snip. Wow, that was quite a job. I keep these plastic tie snippings just in case someday I figure out something to do with them. I've attached half-filled water bottles on each end. I kept a whole plastic tie around the middle just in case it needs more weighing down. These feed throws, bird feed throws, are very good in the winter because you can just shake the snow off of them. They're necessary now for me as it's about gonna snow, it's now Christmas. Now I'm gonna put these outside in place and fill them with sunflower seeds, and let's get going. It's done. It's no little project, but this will last forever. Now we just have to wait and see the birds eat from it. It took a while, but they eventually started eating out of the new trough I gave them. They know me, but they're still not used to, they still don't trust people. And as you can see, it's working fantastically. It's, when snow, dirt, anything comes off on it, it can easily be shaked off. And they will always have a clean surface to eat out of. They don't have to sift through a ton of seed peels to find there a few seeds that are filled with something to eat. And yeah, there they go. They're happy.